No, yo! Let's go, Whatbot! Jordan 1 lows are restocking. As you can see, we're already... Okay, we gotta stop. That was fast. 22 pairs. As you guys can see, live proxies got us a quick 22 pairs. Very fast. So, buyer wanted 15 to 20. There's 22 in the matter of 15 or 20 seconds. And we're done. Just wanted to hop in real quick, guys. As you can see on the screen, we've got Valor running on low data restock mode, and it has checked out 4 pairs in the past couple minutes. Jordan 1 mid, the Royal grade school pairs, and then also the paint drip preschool pairs. We have been running for those, and we have checked out 3 so far on Valor's low data restock mode. You guys can see right here. So we'll keep that running throughout the night. Coral Proxies, Valor restock mode. Let's get it. As you guys saw, we had restocks for Jordan 1 low Easters, and then we had restocks for Jordan 1 mids, ran on Prism and Valor. We destroyed those restocks more than you guys destroyed the like button. And if you haven't destroyed the like button already, what are you waiting for? You know? It's free. And it helps me out. So destroy the like button. Let's get back to the video. What's up, everybody? April 17th, extremely big release today. Jordan 1, I think these are called Hyper Royals. Yep, Hyper Royals. Definitely living up to its name because it's one of the most hyped up shoes that is going to be dropping this entire year. So this is a very big release day. Stock is so low, it's not even funny. So if I don't hit anything, I won't be surprised. If I do hit though, I'm going to be extremely happy. You may see me get up, do a fist pump, you know. If I hit my size, double fist pump, you know. So we're going to see what happens. High hopes, low expectations, and a very big chance of sadness. So this drop is about to start in about 4 minutes. You already know we had to bring out a special Quokka Brew can today. The Quokka Brew Torpedo AIO can. Very cool. Don't have torpedo, so I'm not sure if I'm going to like jinx myself here. But hopefully we hit a pair. I hope that you guys hit a pair as well. Let's go ahead and head over to the second monitor, and we will get this release started. Good luck, everybody. Not running too many tasks on finish line and JD. For Prism, we're just gonna kind of see what happens. So, not putting too much stock in that. Our main, goal obviously is foot sights. So, we'll see what we're able to do. Here we go. Checkout on Foot Locker Canada on Prism. No. Yo! We checked out on Whatbot! Oh my gosh. We checked out. Let's go Whatbot! Woo! We just got a Foot Locker email. We checked out on Foot Locker somewhere. Yeah, I just got an email, bro, for Foot Locker. Size 4.5. Let's go! Where from, though?
Alright guys, we have a little unboxing to do here at the end of the video, and I'm going to film this one from the computer, mainly because I'm lazy and I don't want to set stuff up over there. You can see I got, over there, cardboard boxes and stuff. We just got a lot going on, so I don't really feel like setting it up. What we have here is a really cool box, Jordan 5 box, Toro Bravos, if you guys can see that. This is a really good shoe. Glad we were able to get one. Boom, right here, size 11, I believe, Jordan 5 Toro Bravo. This is for a local buyer. Really nice shoe. Really good materials on this one. It's just a solid colorway for a 5. I'll show a little bit closer, look at these for a little bit more detail. But we were able to get one pair of these in for me, several for slots. So overall, pretty successful release on these Jordan 5 Toro Bravos.
Gonna do it for this episode of Resell Life. Sorry we didn't have too many releases this week. It was kind of a dead week after and leading up to the Jordan 1s. Next week we do have those Yeezy 700s releasing on Saturday. Hopefully we'll get some Jordan 1 restocks throughout the week as well. We also have a brand new series coming out for you guys very soon, all about how you guys can make money reselling without bots. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, turn the notification bell on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And hopefully we will get these Jordan 1s in, and we won't get canceled, but we'll have to see. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Looking forward to those Yeezy 700s. As always, we will see you on the next one.